We are back with another banger. Come on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing butterfly locks like you saw in the description. So I'm gonna start by just braiding her hair down, each braid all the way down to the ends. Braids or twists will work. If you do twist, I recommend for sure braiding at the root first and then twisting the remaining part of the braid. So these I use spring twist hair with. As you can see, I'm splitting up the spring twist hair here, and I just kind of stretch it out, break it up, make sure it's nice and fluffy, and I will crochet that into the braid. So for this, I used about 3 pieces of spring twist hair to make this lock here. And I kind of stagger it. I make one side longer than the other. I will twist it about 3 to 4 times really tight towards the root. And then to make them look like butterfly locks, this is just the method that I use. I twist the hair around and I pull a little piece of the hair out using my fingers that are on. You see how I pulled the thumb and pulled the hair out, and then I start twisting tight again. So then I'll twist it tight a little bit, use my thumb, pull a little bit of hair out just so it can get that butterfly effect throughout the hair. Okay, so I continue to do this method all the way down the lock, and then once I get to the end of my desired length that I want the locks to be at, then I will take the hair and I will tightly fold it up and continue wrapping up the lock. So then I can make the lock even fluffier and the butterfly effect even more. So I just take it, once I get to the end, twist it and wrap, continuously wrap up. Now you don't necessarily have to tie it off at the top. You can if you need to, if you feel like it's going to be a little bit too loose, but most of the time when I'm wrapping and I keep wrapping and wrapping, it's not going to come out. So I'm going to continue up her head and just wrap up the remaining locks. And she just wanted something shoulder length that she can possibly put half up, half down if she wants, and things like that. So I was kind of just winging it and just kind of matching up the length all the way around the head, staggering it out a little bit, making it look really natural, and just making sure the butterfly effect is throughout each lock. This method is really easy. It's really simple. The size that I did was very quick. It did not take us long to do this style at all on her. Now there is a different method if your hair is too long for shorter locks. I'll have to show you guys that in a different video on how to make your locks short even though your natural hair is long. So I will show you guys that in a new video. Don't worry about it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I just have like 1 or 2 left right here. There's no burning, there's no glue, there's nothing like that involved in this style. It's really quick, easy, and super cute and natural looking. So if you guys want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you guys think about this butterfly fox lock look. All right, thank you guys. Bye.
Is that not your wig? No. That look like mine.
It's not. Your wig is in curly.
Are you sure?
Very.
I don't think you be telling me the truth. I think you saw my wig.
Turn this way. Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Smile.
Like,
stomach hurts.
Okay. I'm not gonna stop until you smile. No.
My stomach hurts.
Well, tell her I said we got a video.